I was excited when I found a food-safe stain to use on cutting boards, but then I used it and read a little bit about it, and now I'm not so sure. Intro. Hey guys, Paul here. First, let me tell you that this is not at all the video that I had intended to do. My plan was, I bought this product from Watco, a butcher block oil stain combination, food safe, says cutting boards, salad bowls, butcher blocks, etc. right on the package. I thought, great, this has been a gap in the market for a long time, food safe stains. And so I thought, oh, finally they've got around to getting an FDA approval. So I did a test run, I created this little berry bowl, applied a couple coats of this product on there, let it cure the 72 hours that you're supposed to. And then I washed it, scrubbed it with soapy water every day for 2 weeks. And I was alarmed at the odor that was still coming off of it. And it's supposed to be, like I said, food safe, like they say, food safe in 72 hours. And it still had a strong odor to it. And so I did a little digging on what is actually in the product because it clearly has solvents in it based on the aroma that I was getting. So I just want to read to you some of the things that are in here. Now, I'm not a toxologist or toxicologist, and so I can't say definitively that it is not food safe, but I sure question its food safety and the marketing as a food safe product, particularly after 72 hours when I can still smell it off gassing after 2 weeks. So let me pull up the MSDS material safety data sheet for this product and give you a few highlights of what is actually in the package and some of the warnings that they have on this, on the data sheet. All right, I've got the MSDS sheet up, and let me just read some of the warnings first of all. Harmful if inhaled, may cause cancer, flammable liquid, may cause genetic defect, causes damage to organs through prolonged or repeated exposure, may cause an allergic skin reaction. Okay, so, and I know that once cured, all that probably goes away. They're claiming full cure in 3 days, which I have a hard time with because almost all finishes would claim a 30-day cure cycle. And the fact that I can still smell it off gassing suggests that this finish isn't that different from other finishes. All right, now let me just read off a few of the items that are in it, the ones that I recognize, and I don't recognize all of them. But number one item is mineral spirits. Second, Stoddard solvent, which is similar to mineral spirits, kind of a paint thinner. Tung oil, which everything that I know about tung oil suggests that it's a full cure in 30 days. Some people would say it's not food safe even after full cure of 30 days. I don't get into that debate. I personally do buy into, for what it's worth, the 30-day cure time, and I accept that it would be food safe after that time. But again, I'm not a toxicologist, so I'm not the one to ask about that. But I've never heard anyone claim that it's food safe in 3 days. Naphtha is in here. That is a fuel used for camp stoves and other applications. Methyl ethyl something or another, which is used as an antifreeze in radiant heat applications. So anyway, those are the concerns that I have. One, it smells and I can tell that it's not cured, and two, it's got some really nasty things in here. So my take on it is, I'm not saying it is food safe or it's not food safe, but I will tell you this, I will never put this on any item that would contact food, especially if it would be any potential of it being used within 30 days. I would accept it's probably no better or worse than any other stain after 30 days. I won't get into that debate. I don't care. I'm not going to use it as a food safe product. I would love to get some opinions on this. What do you think about this? Is this something that you would trust the manufacturer and their FDA approval on the product? Or would you steer clear of putting this on your food contact projects? Let me know. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe. Come back for more woodworking, power tool, DIY related videos.